Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, depending on where you are watching from. We are proud to announce and we celebrate 6-year-old proudly Igbo daughter Ugwezuonu Ogechi Zara as she bags a 21 million naira scholarship for her secondary education. Zara scored 100% in the National Mathematics Competition primary category, a competition organized by Mathematical Association of Nigeria. Alex Onyi, the founder of Educare, said the young girl will continue her study for 6 years at Evergreen College in Enugu. Wow, that is a nice feat. We are proud to associate with her. You know, this channel celebrates Igbo people, and that is what we do without apologies. Now, the next people to celebrate. Anambra School wins National Mathematics Competition. Students of Divine Ray British School in Idemili North Local Government area of Anambra State, they have emerged winners in the just concluded 2024 National Mathematics Competition held across designated states of the country. Wow! That is another nice feat. This particular competition covers all classes in primary and secondary schools, levels, and it divided into 4 categories, including the lower primary category, the upper primary category, and the junior secondary category, and the senior secondary category. And what is it about this competition? It is to test the ability and knowledge of pupils in mathematics and offering them a platform to enable them excel in the subject. So Divine Ray's British School was represented by its pupil in the primary section. Okonkwo Chiziterem, Ezievo Kosiso S, Mwabweze Chikamso S, Okoye Emanuela C, Okonkwo Amarachi J. Uche Chiemerie Victoria. They won 6 gold medals at the annual tournament. That is something to celebrate. According to the headmistress of the school, Mrs. Ifeoma Uchama, the achievements stand as a testament to the dedication and hard work of both the learners and the school coaching staff. Because when such a thing happens, you also give the school credit for it. So Uchama expressed sincere appreciation for the unwavering support and encouragement received from parents, guardians, and well-wishers. Everything is a package. So we proudly celebrate not just the young girl, but the Anambra School too. What a nice feat. We celebrate these people today. Our Igbo people have been breaking records, and surely the sky is the limit. Thanks for watching.